In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to lock apps on iPhone. Let's get started. First, head over to any of the app that you want to lock. All you have to do is press and hold on the app. Now different options will appear. Select the option Require Face ID. Now you're going to get two options. Select the option Require Face ID as you just want to lock this app. Now, whenever you click on the app or try to open it, you'll need to complete this verification. You'll need to use your Face ID. After you complete this verification, you will get access to the app. If you set it to hide and require Face ID, the selected app will be hidden from your home page. To access that, you'll need to navigate to your app library. Now here, you're gonna find this section of hidden. Click on that. Your Face ID will be enabled, and here you're gonna find the app. So this way, you can easily lock apps on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.